Ever wondered why some websites appear at the top of Google while others never get noticed? The secret behind online visibility is SEO, search engine optimization. It's the magic that makes your website discoverable, driving traffic and growth every single day. SEO is the process of optimizing your website so that search engines like Google can find, understand, and rank your content. It's more than keywords. It's about creating valuable, relevant content and improving technical aspects of your site to satisfy both users and search engines. SEO has several key components. On-page SEO, using the right keywords, headings, meta descriptions, and high-quality content. Technical SEO, optimizing site speed, mobile friendliness, URL structure, and crawlability. Off-page SEO, building authority through backlinks, social signals, and brand mentions. Content SEO, crafting engaging articles, blogs, and videos that answer users' questions. Every business wants traffic, but paid ads aren't always enough. SEO ensures long-term organic visibility. It drives qualified visitors, builds trust, and positions your brand as an authority in your niche. Unlike ads, SEO keeps working even after you've published your content. It's a lasting investment. From small blogs to global e-commerce giants, SEO is the foundation of online success. A well-optimized site can outrank competitors, attract the right audience, and convert visitors into loyal customers. It's measurable too. You can track rankings, traffic, and engagement to refine your strategy continuously. Want your website to shine on the first page of search engines? Start focusing on SEO today. Optimize, analyze, and grow your online presence. Your audience is searching. Make sure they find you.